Have you ever felt like panic is tightening its grip, leaving you overwhelmed, anxious, and disconnected from your sense of well-being? When the world seems too fast and your thoughts too chaotic, this meditation is here to guide you back to calm and remind you that even in the midst of anxiety, you are still okay. Before we begin, let's start by finding a comfortable position. You can sit or lie down, whatever feels right for you. Close your eyes gently and take a deep breath in, and slowly exhale. Now, take another deep breath, filling your lungs with air, and release it slowly, letting go of any tension in your body. Continue breathing slowly and deeply, feeling your body relax with each exhale. Bring your awareness to your body. Notice any areas of tension or discomfort. Allow yourself to feel whatever is present in this moment. As you continue to breathe deeply, say to yourself, "I am okay, even when I don't feel it." Repeat 2 more times, silently or out loud, allowing the words to settle into your mind and body. I am okay, even when I don't feel it. I am okay, even when I don't feel it. Now, bring your awareness to your emotions. Notice what you're feeling right now. You may be feeling stress, sadness, anxiety, or perhaps a mixture of emotions. Whatever it is, acknowledge it without trying to change it. It's okay to feel what you're feeling. As you breathe in, say to yourself, "I acknowledge my feelings." As you breathe out, say, "I am okay." Continue this pattern 2 more times, allowing your breath to flow naturally, matching the rhythm of your affirmation. Breathe in, say to yourself, "I acknowledge my feelings." Breathe out, Say, I am okay. Breathe in, I acknowledge my feelings. Breathe out, I am okay. Imagine a warm, comforting light surrounding your heart. This light represents your inner peace and strength. It's always there, even when you don't feel it. With each breath, imagine this light growing brighter, spreading warmth and calmness throughout your body. As you breathe in, feel this light filling you with acceptance. As you breathe out, feel it releasing any doubts or fears. Continue to repeat, I am okay, and visualize this light wrapping you in a cocoon of safety and love. Now, gently shift your focus to the present moment. Let go of any thoughts about the past or worries about the future. Simply be here now with your breath, your body, and your emotions. Allow yourself to rest in this moment of peace, knowing that it's okay not to feel okay all the time. You are still worthy, still enough, still okay. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be. Take one last deep breath in and exhale slowly. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. As we come to the end of this meditation, take a moment to honor yourself for taking this time to nurture your inner peace. You are resilient, and even when you don't feel okay, you have the strength within you to find calm and balance. Thank you for joining me today. If you found this meditation helpful, please subscribe to stay connected. Most importantly, share this with someone who might be struggling and needs to be reminded that they are not alone. We're all in this together, and your support could make a difference in someone else's life. Carry this sense of acceptance and peace with you as you continue your day.